Alright you guys, I wanted to make a video about the WYZE Cam Outdoor. So this is actually the hub right here. It's called the base station, and it also comes with an outdoor camera. I bought an additional camera, so I have one right here. So you could connect actually 4 cameras to one base station. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a camera. I'm going to give you guys my review. I'm going to give you a little unboxing, and we're just going to go through the whole thing. Okay, so let's undo the base first. All right, comes in this nice little box. Okay. Okay, so here's the camera. Okay, I've got the camera right here. Okay, let me scoot this over. And then that is the base station right here. We got the manual. Okay, we got the power cord, and that's for the base station. Okay, so it also comes with your Ethernet cord. Here it is right here. And then it comes with a micro USB. So we are gonna connect the base station to our router. That's why it comes with this Ethernet cord right here. And so we're just gonna be plugging it in just like this. And then this other side, take it out the rubber band. So this other side is going to go directly into the router, and it's about 3 feet or so. So I have my router right next to the front door, and my cameras are going to go pretty much close to the front door. So I'm going to be okay with this. But you guys, just so you know, you're going to have this pretty close to your router, and like I said, it's probably like 3 feet length cord. Okay, and this is your power cord. This is for your base station. Okay, so it's just a cord like that. You're gonna go ahead and throw it in the back here, and it plugs in just like so. And then this is your standard plug right here. Let's go ahead and open up this camera so you guys could check it out. All right, so here you go. It's man, that is a strong magnet. Woo! Almost made that other camera go. So this magnet, that's how it's held. You got the magnet here, and it is strong. And then also you have the 1/4 thread right here, just in case you guys want to mount it up differently. But like I said, that is very strong right there. Jeez. So it does come with the screws as well, so you could screw it down. I'm gonna be putting mine, like I said, next to the front door, and right there, they got some wood. So I'm not gonna need these, but I'm definitely gonna need the screws to go ahead and screw them in there. All right, you guys, I did want to talk a little bit about some of the specs. And so the first, they're gonna have it's gonna be 1080. It's gonna be full HD. So that's the cool thing. It's gonna be full HD, 1080. You don't have to worry about 720. You're gonna be able to see people's faces nice and good. So you don't have to worry about that. It is IP65 weather resistant, which means you're gonna be good to go with rain and everything. You're just not gonna, it's probably not gonna stand in a hurricane. But other than that, you're gonna be good to go. It does have night vision, and you know, that's one of the things I want it for. Night vision, you got to see who's creeping up on your house, of course. I mainly want it because I want to check the packages that are coming into my house. So I want to make sure there's a package out there. That way I could go out there and just pick it up. That way nobody wants to, you know, don't give anybody that temptation to take a package if it's out there, left out there all day long. Okay, so it does take micro SD. And it's right under the camera, so it's right here. All you got to do is push it in there. And then I do want to show you guys the back. It's that micro USB plug. So if you want to charge your battery, it's going to be right in here, and you're going to plug it in there. And the on switch is right here. So all you have to do is move it from left to right. All you do is push it. Okay. It does have motion detection. So whatever's on your screen, the lower 2/3 of your screen, it's going to be able to detect. So this is a brand new set. WYZE says that it lasts 6 months off of a full charge. So I like the fact that it does that. That way you don't have to take it off that much. You know, twice a year is not bad to have a fully charged battery. So I haven't experienced that myself because this is a whole new set. But yeah, they say 6 months. And the reason I got WYZE versus any other company is because of the price is real good, and also because you do not need to sign up for their service. You can sign up for their service, you get more perks, but I just wanted it to, you know, have it on my phone. That way I could see it. It does record for 12 seconds, so it does let you see your recording for 12 seconds. Okay, let's talk about installation for a second. So you want to pop it off that heavy duty magnet there, and what you're going to do is you're going to take the screw and you're going to screw it into the wall where you want to place your camera, your security camera. So you're going to screw it in until it's all the way in almost, and then once it is, you're going to be able to, let's say this is your wall right here. What you're going to do is you're going to put this top thread right here, you're going to place it in like so, and then you're going to be able to screw it in all the way so it's nice and tight. So that's what we're going to be doing outside. I just want to give you guys a little pre-demonstration of what you're going to be doing. Alright you guys, we're going to go through the setup. I'm going to be setting everything up on my phone. I have an iPhone. If you have an Android, just go to your store and you're going to go ahead and type in WYZE. So you're looking for the WYZE app. It is 100% free. There it is. We're going to get it. Okay, it is now downloading. Alright. So we're going to be connecting everything up here. So, and I am in my garage right under the base. So should have no problems. Here we go. Open. Allow notifications. Okay, so if you guys have an account, just log in. I'm gonna create an account. So here goes at the bottom, create an account. What is my email? Good question. Okay, you're gonna hit next. You're gonna put your email in there. Then you're gonna create a password. You have to confirm your password. Hit next. You have to confirm your password, and then you have to agree to the terms of service. So go ahead and check that box, and then you're going to be able to hit next. Okay, they're going to send a verification code to your email. Just type in the 5-digit code. Welcome to WYZE. So we are finished and we are ready to go. Okay, let's connect everything. New device. Okay, so we have the WYZE Cam Outdoor. Let's add a base station. Connect your mobile device to your network. Okay, so it says plug in the base station into your power and your router. Already did that. The light will flash blue and then it will remain solid once it's connected. So once the status light is solid blue, you're gonna click next. Supposedly it's supposed to take 2 minutes, but it should be quicker than that. There it is. It may take up to 2 minutes. Okay, here we go. Let's name this device. We're gonna call it G1. Okay, new base station firmware. Yeah, let's go ahead and upgrade. So if you go ahead and update, I'm doing the update right now. Definitely want to stay up to date on this stuff, guys. You don't want to mess around and not have a recording because you didn't update it. Okay, my update did take a little while, but it looks like we are good to go. Congrats, you're updated. Your update went great. Done. Okay, now we need to add a WYZE Cam Outdoor. Okay, so flip on the power switch behind the camera. The status light will be solid yellow. Keep the cam within 6 feet of the base station during setup. If the light does not turn on, please plug in your camera to the charge. Okay. Okay, I do have my camera here, so it's all the way in the back. And then all we do is flip on the switch. Okay, there's a switch. You guys probably can't see it, but you just flip it all the way to the right. Okay, we have the yellow. Let's begin setup. Press the sync button on the bottom of the camera. Okay, bottom of the camera, circular button, sync.
Pairing is in progress. Please wait.
Pairing is in progress. Please wait.
WYZE Cam Outdoor setup successful.
All right, so it looks like we're already set up and good to go. All right, so I'm gonna name it front door. Okay, you're gonna click on finish. Okay, we're gonna go to done in the upper right. Congratulations. Okay, continue to mounting. Now we got to begin mounting. All right. Okay, so one thing you want to make sure you avoid direct sunlight. That's a big one right there. You don't want the sun just glaring into the camera and you're not going to be able to see anything. All your footage is going to be like white. If you live on a busy street, you probably don't want to face the camera right on the street because you're going to have cars passing. Check Wi-Fi signal strength. Let's do that. Okay, great connection. Okay, now it is time to put the camera outside. All right, here is both cameras charging with their micro USBs that I connected to the back. As you guys can see, the one on the left is the red blinking light. That means it's charging. The one on the right is fully charged, so it's a solid red light. All right, you guys, I have the micro SD card, 64 gigs. I'm gonna put it on the left side of the base station. It does go upside down for some reason, but you go ahead and push it all the way in. Kind of tough one-handed, but just like that, it is in. I got the base station here. I did plug it in. I got the Ethernet cord going all the way up. And then here is my router / modem, and it has 4 plugs. So I plugged it into the first one. And then I have the power right here. So it is in my garage. It's pretty close to the front door. So it's gonna be like, probably like within 6 feet of the first camera. So I should have no connectivity problems whatsoever. But I do have it plugged in and it's ready to go. Okay, so first step is we have our screw here and we're gonna screw it in almost all the way. You guys don't need a drill bit. If you have a hammer, you just hammer it in a little bit and then just start screwing it in. Okay, so I already gave it a couple of love taps with the hammer. Now I'm just gonna screw it in almost all the way. All right, you guys, you can see the screw is almost all the way in. You can also see the spider webs, but don't mind them. So here it is. What we're gonna do is, this way is up, okay? So all you have to do is put it into that little screw and then push down. Like so. And now you could leave it hanging and then you could just screw in the rest of it and it's gonna stay nice and sturdy right there. Okay guys, I just screwed it all the way and it's nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. They do offer 2 screws, so if you want to put 2 screws on there, you can. I just have one and nice and tight. It's already secure. Unless no hurricanes come by, it's gonna stay up there. All right guys, I got it all the way up there. What I'm trying to do, here's my front door. What I'm trying to do is get a nice little aerial view of the package area. This is where they drop the packages off mainly. So there's a pillar next to the street. So nobody really sees the packages, but I just want to be able to see them myself. And just in case somebody takes it, we'll have them on camera. So that is the main reason that I want to have these security cameras. And I'm also putting up a second view a little bit further out so you could actually see somebody walking up the driveway. All we did is throw it up there after we got it all set up. So I made sure it was pointed straight down so I could see anybody coming to the front door, and it is on. It's perfect. It's looking good and I love it.